What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you use dental floss to clean your toilet. I paid 87 cents at Walmart for this dental floss. As you can see, it is mint waxed. Very important, so it's going to give your toilet a nice minty flavor. I mean, smell. Minty smell. So pull you off a piece of dental floss and we're going to use this to get up underneath all these nooks and crannies. Right like that. Now let's get to work with our floss. See, we can get right up underneath where the toilet seat is attached to the toilet. Make sure you do both of them here now. Don't short-side yourself by doing only one. Another thing we can do is we can get up around our toilet handle. Okay, right like this. And pull off any dirt that may be, dirt or oil I should say, that may make this toilet handle hard to flush. You want to make sure you can always flush your toilet. Another thing you want to do is try to get up underneath the tank lid here, right? With that dental floss. And if your floss breaks like mine just did, just pull you off another piece. Hear that? Another thing we can do is get around the base and just pull that dental floss up underneath that base to pull out any loose sediment and pee. And guys, I can already smell the minty freshness. I can smell that minty freshness down here. It smells really, really good, guys. You can also use this dental floss to clean the threads of your screws down here on your toilet base. Okay, so right like this. Make sure you get in the grooves of that screw really, really well. Okay? And moving up to the top of the toilet seat here, we can get around our little bumpers, toilet bumper seat, or toilet bumpers, whatever you want to call them. Okay? With that floss. Alright? Clean any kind of urine gunk that you find. Okay, so what am I going to rate the cleaning your toilet with dental floss cleaning hack? On a scale of do not try, indifferent, or a yay yay, I'm going to have to give this cleaning hack a do not try. My friends, hopefully by now you know me, and you know I'm just kidding around here. If you want to clean your toilet properly, might I suggest some good toilet bowl cleaner, a good cleaning toothbrush or a nylon brush or something to get on the nooks and crannies, and some disinfectant wipes. So that's it, my friends. In today's video, we learned how to clean your toilet with dental floss. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.